Tired of that unexpected debit from Axis Bank every month for a service you barely use? Let's get that recurring payment stopped right now. First things first, unlock your phone and locate the Axis Bank mobile application. It should be the app with the blue and white Axis Bank logo. Tap on the icon to open the app. Now, you'll need to log into your account. Use your preferred method, whether it's your MPIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection. Once you're logged in, look for the Services or Cards section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's usually located in the bottom navigation bar or within the main menu. Tap on either Services or Cards. In the Services or Cards section, you'll need to find the option to manage your standing instructions or emend dates. Look for terms like standing instructions, emend dates, recurring payments, or bill payments. Tap on whichever option is available to you. A list of all your active recurring payments will appear. Carefully scroll through the list and locate the specific recurring payment you want to stop. It will show the merchant's name or the service you're paying for, along with the amount and frequency. Tap on the specific recurring payment to view its details. You should see a button labeled Cancel, Stop, Deactivate, or something similar. This button is what will stop the recurring payment. Before the payment is actually canceled, a confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm your action. Double-check that you've selected the correct recurring payment, and then tap Confirm or Yes to proceed. You should now see a confirmation message on your screen saying that your recurring payment has been successfully canceled. It might also provide a reference number for your cancellation. Take a screenshot of this confirmation for your records, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully stopped your recurring payment through the Axis Bank mobile app. Remember to always double-check your account statements to ensure the payment doesn't go through again. If you face any issues, contacting Axis Bank customer care is always a good idea.